Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change someone's name on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Find the chat of the person whose name you want to change. Once you are in the chat, tap on their name at the top of the screen to open their contact details. Next, you will see an option that says Edit once you tap on the three dot line. Hit edit and you will be able to edit the name as you wish. After making the changes, simply tap save to update the name. Now, the new name will be displayed in your chat with that person. Remember, this only changes the name for you and won't affect how others see their name. And that's it. Now you know how to change someone's name on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.